that we started our lap, so it's pretty crazy to be back here already. We are going to be exploring the Grampians today. The weather hasn't quite been on our side over the last few days, but we're not here to whinge and whine about the weather. Australian summer, it would be kind of nice though. Anyway, let's go to the Pinnacles Lookout and hike, and we'll show you some amazing views.
Trail's about 5 kilometres, so it's a good walk to do if the weather's not so great. You don't know if you're going to get caught in the rain like today. If the views are anything to go by that we've seen so far, only driving into the Grampians, then we're expecting some pretty amazing things here.
Okay, so we had to abandon the walk. We saw some grey clouds rolling in thick and fast, and we thought we need to get out of here.
We're not going to go back, even though it's stopped now. The sky still looks pretty gross. Yeah. So we're going to go to the campsite, settle in for the night, and probably wait out.
Fingers crossed for good weather tomorrow, please.
Yeah, wait out this storm.
We are on day 2 of the Grampians, and not a great start. It did rain all morning. It's about 10 AM now. Matt's cooking up his famous scrambled eggs. Today we're hoping we can do a couple of lookouts if the weather clears up a little bit, and then head to the Great Ocean Road.
So far things haven't gone to plan, but rather than tell you that we weren't able to make it here, we couldn't go there, we couldn't do this, that or the other, we're going to show you what you can do if you're here like us and the weather is just not playing ball. So we are going to tick off some things today. We're going to see some viewpoints that are easier to get to, that you don't have to climb up potentially slippery rocks to get to. And we are going to defeat this weather. We're not going to let it defeat us.
Our first stop of the day is Reed's Lookout. You can also get to the Balconies from here. It's about a kilometre walk, so we're going to do that afterwards. First, let's go check out the view.
We have just finished up at the Balconies and the views were outstanding.
Beautiful.
Yeah, really good. And even though the weather seems to have cleared up a little bit, so we're going to attempt the Pinnacles. But first, since we're nearby, we're going to go to Boroka Lookout.
Let's go. Done Boroka Lookout, and we spoke to someone there who said we had to come to McKenzie Falls, so here we are. We're going to walk all the way down. It's about 250 steps, and see how it is.
Back where it all started. We're back at the Pinnacles. The weather's perked up, so I'm in a t-shirt now. Danielle's changing into shorts. I don't know who we think we are at this point, but we're going in it with optimism. We're gonna conquer the Pinnacles, our own personal Everest at this point. And yeah, you've already seen all the start, so let's show you the end. It's Pinnacles Part 2. We made it to the top.
Finally.
It's definitely a bit longer than we expected.
It's absolutely not 2.1 k's. Don't let anyone lie to you like that.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool walk though.
Yeah, really cool.
Really awesome views and yeah, some pretty quirky places to come through and what have you.
Yes, and very much worth it.
Since we're at the very peak, this seems like a fitting place to say goodbye to the Grampians.
It's been really good despite the weather.
We are heading to
Great Ocean Road. Woo!
So let's go.
We made it! Look! We are officially at the 12 Apostles. We're at the lookout right now. We left the Grampians today. Was it today?
Yeah.
Today. And yeah, we're going to explore the amazing Great Ocean Road.
The beaches, the cliffs look so beautiful.
Yeah.
We can't wait to show you all of the main spots that you'd expect to see and a couple of hidden gems along the way.
We have made it down Gibsons Steps this morning onto the beach. We're just having a nice little beach walk.
It's a really beautiful stretch of beach right next to the cliffs and some cool rock formations sticking out.
We're going to have a little walk down here and just enjoy the view, and then we're going to go back to the 12 Apostles, but obviously during daylight, and try and get some cool pictures there.
Just as we were starting to have some fun, running around, taking some content, the clouds drew in and the blue skies turned grey and it's already started raining. So I don't know, we're carrying some bad weather with us on this trip at the minute. We're gonna go back to the van and wait this out. Hopefully it's over soon.
This managed to tick off the 12 Apostles and we did Gibsons Steps Beach. We did have a little bit of rain, but luckily managed to avoid it for a little while, and now the weather's back on our side again.
Hopefully for longer than last time.
Hopefully. We are at Baker's Oven now. I'm not quite sure why they call it that.
The only thing we think is there's a tiny little hole in the rock here. Maybe that's the oven door. I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't look like an oven, but
no, but it looks cool.
It looks very beautiful. And the water's so cool. So we have a couple more stop-offs, or one more stop-off today. We're gonna go to Razorback, which is another really cool landmark. And then we're gonna head back to camp and have an early night for another day of exploring tomorrow.
Tomorrow it's time to head to Otway National Park, Apollo Bay, and a secret little lookout that someone gave us a hint about.
Super excited for that.
Stick around and see how that goes. It's a new day with same weather. The weather is going to pick up soon when we're in Melbourne.
Yay.
But for now we've come for a rainforest walk, because it's not such a bad place to be on a bit of a more drab and dreary day.
Yeah, we're in Otway, Great Otway National Park, and we're just doing, like Matt said, a really short walk just in case it rains.
Yeah, it says 800 meters, but 30 minutes. So
Something doesn't add up here.
So we're going to go check it out, but we're going to continue along the Great Ocean Road today and get to the end. Rest is a section of Otway National Park where the temperature's still really cool. There's very few of those sections left of Otway National Park, which means there's a ton of really unique plant and tree life that grows here, such as the myrtle tree, which is where 3 trees have, I don't know how, somehow combined together to create one tree. There's hollowed out trees, there's huge trees that tower up all the way to the sky. It's been really cool walking through and seeing it all. And now we've finished the walk, we're just going to head off to the next part of the Great Ocean Road. And finally we made it to Point Addis, which marks the end of our journey from the Grampians to the Great Ocean Road. We saw some unbelievable landmarks, from hiking to the top of the Pinnacles to the 12 Apostles along the Great Ocean Road, and then Razorback and the Baker's Oven in between. It's been stunning.
Join us next week as we head to the city that invented the flat white. We're in Melbourne, showing you the incredible street art, cool cafes and all of the places you can't miss.
If you like this video, then don't forget to give it the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video. See you in Melbourne.